Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Microsoft Word in your phone, and you will use it for free without having to pay for it. So just follow me to the end of this video so that you get to see how you can actually use Microsoft Word in your phone for any word editing stuff you want to do in your phone. In order to do that, simply go over to your Play Store, and once you come to your Play Store, tap on this search area and go and type word on this search area, then just press on the word. You see this very second one, this is exactly from the official website of Microsoft. You can see it is the app that is being prepared by the Microsoft, and so you can use this one and it will serve all the needs that you have with your Word documents. So now let's just click on install. Once you click on install, this will quickly get started with downloading. Depending on the speed of your network, it will also determine how fast this download will be. So you can just see that the download has actually started. So let's just wait for it while this download is being completed. Please, if you've not subscribed to our channel, please do well to subscribe. That is one of the ways you can just appreciate us. It's a way you can support us to grow in this channel. It will be greatly appreciated. Now you can see that the download and the installation is done right now in our phone. So what you just need to do is that you click on this open area to open the Microsoft Word in your phone. Now once you've opened it, you can see you will quickly get launched to this very area. Sometimes it will bring an option for you to sign in if you already have an account with them, but if you don't have, it will also bring an option for you to sign up, and you do well to do that in order for you to gain access to all the features you need in this Microsoft Word. Now I will just take a good look at this environment. You can see if you click on this plus area, it will enable you to create a blank document, and if you scroll down from this very place, you can see templates that you can simply edit and use it for whatever purpose you so wish to use it for. Now let's click on this blank document. Now once you click on this blank document, let's click on this, got it. If you come over to this three dots by the right side, you see where you can click to save your document, where you can also click to print your document, and also you can share your document to others. So that's one good thing about this Word document from Microsoft. Now if you also scroll by the downside, you see all the features you have also in your laptop. Assuming you are viewing this in your laptop or your PC, you have all these features there, and so none is actually missing in your phone format. Now if you click on this arrow by the downside, you see also other features here you can see, and so these are just some of the things you can do. Now if you click over this home area, you notice that there are other layouts here. You can see home, you can see insert. If you click on insert, now you see all the things you need to insert, like tables, like pictures, shapes, text box, and the rest of them. Okay, you wish to insert things like page and all of those things, this is just the place you can do. You can see also draw. Here you can just get to draw so many things if you wish. can also see layout. It will enable you to determine the layout of your document. Assuming you want to change the margin, you can just simply click on this margin and you select the particular one you wish to use. Now if you want to change the orientation, you can just simply click here and it will enable you to change the orientation. Okay, so but one thing is that for you to even change the orientation, you may likely need to subscribe. Also, you can change the paper size from letter to A4 to any paper size of your choice. Also, you can also change the column, but you will still need to sign up or make a payment before you do that. So you see, all of these things are things you stand to enjoy from your Microsoft Word on your phone. If you are done editing whatever you wish to do, you can see all of these things. You just click on these three dots, you save it. If you wish to save it, you can click on this arrow here to go back. You can see undo. I'm able to undo the things that I need to undo. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe for more tips on this channel. Thank you.